guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add and change language on Samsung keyboard. So in order to change your Samsung keyboard, you have to take the steps. So first thing you have to do is just open any app randomly where you can easily type so that you can have an access to your keyboard. So I'll just use my notes, my Samsung notes. So what you have to do is you have to click on your emoji, right? Press down on your emoji, don't press on it, just press down. Once you press down, you're going to see this right here. You click on the settings icon. So let me just use this so you can see. There's the setting icon. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to see languages and types. Click on that, and you're also going to see manage input languages, which is this. So you're going to click on that, and once you click on this, you're going to see different input languages. You can choose if it's Chinese, you can just quickly turn on that, and you can toggle this on. But if you can't find the language in these downloaded languages, you can simply scroll down and search for your language. You can see the thousands of hundreds of languages right here where you can choose from. And once you choose from this, you have to click on download. Once it's downloaded, you're going to scroll up to see where it says downloaded languages. So once you're here, you're going to see this and it's been toggled on. So automatically this will be your language on your keypad. It's easy and simple to do. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.